Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Onírìṣà ẹni ìtàn onírìṣà igbákejì àdìmúlà o ẹni ìtàn Adéyẹyè Ògúnwùsì wá. Àbíyọ níbẹ̀rún bẹ̀fà o. Àbíyọ níbẹ̀jẹ̀ bẹ̀jọ. Olórí ládìládì mọ̀ ní. Ọ̀jájá kejì Ògúnwùsì wá. Òtítì àrìnkìlẹ̀ omi títì yé. Kọ́lé òtútù ó kọ́tọ̀ rìnrìn àríkìtì ogun ètìrì ogun onírìṣà kàdé pẹ́ lórí kí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ òun.
I call him Ṣàngó ilẹ̀ aláwọ̀ dúdú. I greet you. God bless you. And again, I greet our mother, the hard-working and ever-radiant Olori, Temitope Ogunwusi. Please, a big round of applause for this woman. I welcome you all to this great event. The event that has been noted as the first of its kind, not only in the palace of the Ooni of Ife, but also in Nigeria as a whole. On that note, I will like to appreciate our mother, Olori Temitope Ogunwusi, for this laudable initiative, because in the whole of Nigeria, I have never seen a monarch. That is choosing a day like this to appreciate itself. I repeat, I have never seen a monarch in this country that choose a day like this to appreciate his staff. And we are doing this today to commemorate his 7th year on this exalted throne. And by the special grace of God, me and you will be here to celebrate Baba on his 140th on the throne. Kabesi, like I said earlier, this event has been noted as the first of its kind, not only in this country, not only in this palace, but also in the country at large. I'm very pleased to be part of this important celebration and for the support your presence offers. Kabisi, being rewarded, I'm now talking to the staff now, being rewarded and recognized today is a call to encourage ourselves. It is a clear call to encourage ourselves to do more in our various departments. And as we are doing this, God Almighty will be with us all. I want to especially recognize my wife, Kabesi, because my wife is here. Mrs. Salami Beauty. I recognize you also. And of course, again, I will also like to appreciate my staff in the office. They are wonderful. All of you, I recognize you. God Almighty will bless you. Kabesi, so it's a call for us to improve in areas where we are found wanting and excel more in our various areas of expertise. Whether you are called for recognition or not, I want you all to know this. Every one of you is important. Every one of you is special. And Arule Oudua has a space in his heart to reward every one of you. Thank you and God bless. Long live
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.